Hello viewers, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I got this BoldFit Hemu Swimming Goggles. So let's review it. So first of all, it's come in very premium packing. So let's unboxing it. See, premium box. This is. So what we got in the box is the goggles and a menu for it and this is the smell outside and this is the premium box of it. So let's check the quality of the goggles with this, and it's come with full adjustable straps and stretchable straps. So see the premium quality of it. It can fit on the kids also and also on adults. You can make for both. You can adjust straps from here and also from here, both sides you can adjust strap according to your comfort. And पीछे भी एक दो straps आती है ताकि आप इसे अच्छे से पहन सको. So let's wear it. मैंने इसका छोटा कागज नहीं निकाला, so that's why it is very premium and you can see clearly out of my face and it can properly fit on around your eyes, so you can easily swim without any interruption. So this is the dot. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. See you and bye bye.